Idinaos ang Green Mobility Initiative sa University of the Philippines, Los Baños na nagsusulong ng sustainability at environmental awareness. Alamin kung sino-sino ang mga pwedeng makinabang dito sa ulat ni Bien Manalo.
Kanya-kanyang padyaka ang mga kalahok sa paglulunsad ng UPLB Green Mobility Initiative sa University of the Philippines, Los Baños. Ito ay kasabay ng official kick-off celebration ng Philippine Environment Month na nagsusulong ng sustainability at environmental awareness. Bilang bahagi ng inisyatibo, ipinakilala ang isang mobility sharing project, tampok ang state-of-the-art system na shared e-bikes at e-scooters.
Not only as a form of exercise, but to lessen our carbon footprint. So I'm very happy that UPLB has finally taken the lead in this. And maganda yung timing because we're celebrating our Environment Month and we're celebrating World Cycling Day on Monday.
Lubos na makikinabang dito ang mga estudyante, faculty and staff at campus visitors sa pamamagitan ng mobile app. Dinisenyo ang naturang proyekto para maghatid ng environmentally sustainable at affordable transportation option na malaki ang magiging kontribusyon sa hinahangad ng universidad na future-proofing university operations.
This is kind of a public-private sector partnership, no? The counterpart of UPLB is the end-of-trip facilities, no? Yung mga bike racks. In the Memorandum of Agreement, we'll provide them like 3 e-bikes and e-scooters.
Kailangan mag-succeed to kung gusto natin magpatuloy. And pag nag-succeed ito, all other campuses will follow.
Bukod dito, kinilala ang ilang valued partners at benefactors kabilang ang student organizations, alumni associations, technology providers at supporters mula sa private and business sectors. Nagsagawa rin ng campus tour gamit ang mga naturang e-bikes at e-scooters kung saan ibinida ang academic heritage sites and landmarks ng UPLB. Bien Manalo para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.